Very flat and very sandy.
The most remote location in the world can be found in this desert in Xinjiang, China. It's the furthest point from the sea on the entire planet. That's over 2,600 kilometers from the nearest coastline. And today, we're going to explore it. This is Xinjiang.
And it is absolutely stunning.
Few travellers venture into the deserts north of Xinjiang city of Urumqi. Why? Because there's only one road through the miles of sand, which opened less than 3 years ago, and no public transportation.
We are currently on the S21 driving from Urumqi up to Burqin. So we're going to stop at Kuitun first to get some lunch, and at the moment you can see we are just in the desert, miles and miles of desert. We saw some camels earlier, but I wasn't able to catch them on film. But yeah, very flat and very sandy.
Along the way, we stopped for a bathroom break and to pick up some delicious melon. Xinjiang is well known for its fruit, and this was the sweetest melon I've ever tasted.
I caught a glimpse of you out on the road, crying like a dove. You're whispering a symphony unknown.
Before arriving in Kuitun, we found a small lake in the desert.
Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn.
Another food Xinjiang is famous for is its hand-pulled noodles, which you often top with flavoured minced meat.
What are you eating, Nat?
I'm eating a minced meat local Xinjiang noodles. After lunch, we continued our drive towards Burqin. Despite being so far from the ocean, it's still possible to find breathtaking freshwater lakes in the desert.
Hello, so we are now at Urumqi, which is a beautiful large lake not too far away from Kuitun. And the sun is about to set, it's coming into the evening. We've got about an hour left of sunlight and it is absolutely stunning here. I can hear the waves from the lake, there are lots of birds and it is absolutely stunning. Definitely come out this way if you're in Xinjiang.
If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on me. But I'm so tired of wandering. Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living.
So we're just driving on the road and everywhere is beautiful cattle just walking across the road. So we have sheep, horses, cows. It's just so beautiful.
I thought by now pain would be my friend.
I know that discomfort was a means to an end, but I'm lying in one bed.
The sun sets late in Xinjiang. Despite being so close to the Kazakhstan border, China only has one time zone, putting it 3 hours ahead of its neighbour. That also means that it's very normal to eat dinner between 10 p.m. and midnight. So we are staying in a Russian style hotel. It's a little bit weird, so let me show you. This is the lobby. The bathroom. Very interesting. And then a sofa, TV, wash basins. So this is a bed in the middle of the room. And then just a bath. I don't know if it's functional, but hello. Very interesting indeed. The next day, we headed back into the desert in search of Moguicheng, also known as the Devil City.
A significant blood, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same.
We are in Moguicheng, which is known as Devil City, and it was formed by wind formations. The wind forming the landscape into kind of like a mini Grand Canyon. But it's very beautiful, but it has been kind of taken over by tourism, and now I feel like it feels a little bit fake. But it's beautiful all the same.
Why are you doing that?
Oh my goodness. I'm on a camel. Riding a camel is something I've always wanted to do, and we made sure to check first that it wouldn't hurt the animal and that they were well cared for.
Just what it was needed.
Another must-visit remote spot in northern Xinjiang is a mountain canyon just outside the town of Kuitun. From grazing cattle and wild horses against a backdrop of rugged snowy mountains, this hidden gem is unknown to tourists and an epic example of China's diverse landscapes. The desert of Xinjiang truly is remote, and it's easy to see why this area has so few tourists and inhabitants. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next episode, where we'll drive to the tip of China in search of the lost nomadic mountain communities. Until next time, bye bye!